Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram not updating problem. So if in the case that your Instagram applications are not necessarily updating to the latest version, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this issue step by step. So what we actually need to do first is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi of our device. So having unstable internet connection could contribute to issues like this, so you need to go ahead and double check that with your internet service provider and see if they are facing issues that you need to be aware of. And one more quick fix that we could also do to solve this issue is to try our cell data as we update our Instagram applications and see if that is going to work better than our Wi-Fi. One more thing that we could also do, and the last thing as well, is to do a quick restart of our device. So let's go ahead and tap on our assistive touches, tap on device, more, and then restart again to successfully restart your device. And once that is done, try and go ahead with updating your Instagram application, and that issue should be fixed. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.